Hey guys, the Honor 80 series is in the works and we might see its arrival in the coming weeks. Last week DCS had revealed the key specs of the most premium Honor 80 Pro Plus. We'll get into it in the later part of the video, and now that same source has revealed some important specs of the Honor 80, 80 Pro and 80 Pro Plus. According to DCS, the design will be the highlight of the Honor 80 series smartphones, but we will have to wait to see its design. Honor may release any teaser to showcase the design. He further says that the device will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC. It's a new SoC which MediaTek announced recently. It's a 6nm SoC and it comes with 2 ARM Cortex A78 cores and 6 power-efficient ARM Cortex A55 cores. The device will pack a 64-megapixel main camera. Other sensors may include an ultra-wide-angle lens and a macro lens. While the battery size is still unknown, but according to DCS, the device will support 66-watt fast charging. And now moving to the Honor 80 Pro, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 778G SoC. For photography, the device is set to come with a 108-megapixel main lens. The tipster didn't reveal which 108-megapixel sensor is being used on the Honor 80 Pro. Anyway, moving on, the device will support 100-watt fast charging speed, which is getting common with flagship smartphones. And now let's talk about the most premium smartphone in the Honor 80 series, which is the Honor 80 Pro Plus. This handset will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is the best SoC in the Android camp right now. The Honor 80 Pro Plus would be the first Honor phone that will come with a 200-megapixel main lens. It may get a 1.5K curved AMOLED display with at least 120Hz refresh rate. It is likely to come with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. While final details about its battery capacity, cameras and display is still under wraps, but hopefully newer reports will reveal more about the upcoming smartphones. So yeah, what do you guys think about these smartphones? Do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. With that said, I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.